Assalamu alaikum brothers, how are you? I think you are fine. As you well aware that on daily basis I upload a video at my channel through which you can create ease in your life with different idea. Not only your rupees will save, also your time, precise time will also be saved. uh, Today I am sharing that how our solar panels we should clean in routine basis. Presently, first of all it is depend on the weather condition. As you are watching that there is a uh, very dusty weather there. Especially such type of weather most affect to these panels efficiency, and a numbers of layers become at the surface of these panels, which disturb to efficiency of the solar plates. So due to these reasons, you cannot get a best result from the solar plates. What that you have how many solar panels, what that you install a good company inverter, but when these solar plates are not cleaned properly in time, you cannot get a proper result from them. So first of all I suggest that be clean these solar panels within a one week, approximately one time or maximum two time. It is best to get from these solar plates good efficiency, first of all. And secondly, you clean these solar panels on early morning. First of all, the glasses of the plate first of all cool. And the main advantage that the dropping of the birds, as you are watching, they are at this place, and further at this place some dropping of the birds are available. So during as and when you clean it on morning, the dropping of the birds has become very soft due to the coolness of the weather. Further, the dew formation, the bird dropping is also very soft. Due to this, at early morning, when you clean it with a simple water, not only you are this glasses as well as dropping birds can also be cleaned very easily. In comparison, when you clean it during the night, first of all, the glasses, when the heat or sun rays put on the glasses in a day, the glasses is hot, and it takes some time to cool. Further, the dropping of the birds cannot be clean properly as in comparison in morning, as I explained. So I suggest that it is best that clean it on the at the morning. It is best for will be less consume your time to clean it. Further, if you take more time to clean it, as after 1 month or 2 month, you clean you clean these panels, you take more times and not care to clean these panels in time. So though your efficiency can be decreased, the dust layer due to this dust accumulation, the based on these panels, which is later on it is much difficult to clean it. So I request that clean these panels first of all morning, and later on within a 1 week, 1 or 2 times, these solar panels must be clean. further I shall load a video at my channel that how in a cheap manner, in a cheap everything is available in a house, so no require any other things, any other article, any other machine to clean these panels, especially I have not to purchase from the market to clean these panels, any other gadget. So for this I prepare inshallah I load a separate video on it. So if you like my this idea, kindly share it, and also subscribe my channel, so that in routine on different topics, on different problem, with the easy solution you can get, you can meet. Thank you dear. Assalamu alaikum.